Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to do index customization. And index can be customized in single index. Also we can do also multiple index. So in the VLOOKUP, how can we customize that index? For an example, here you can see I have a database. In this database there are some mentioned order ID and party name and item details and also amount details. Now here what I want, if I put here any order number, for an example I'll just put here 1. I received, who is the party, what is the date, rest everything I received. For an example, I entered here order ID 12. If I want to see, I received everything. But the amazing thing is that here you can see is the party name mentioned. If I change this to any other name, for an example, I want to take here tax amount. I want to take here tax amount. Tax AMT, I guess, yes. Now you can see if I switch the name, I'm getting. But the major thing is that if I'm just typing here tax A also, it is coming. If I'm typing AMT also, it is coming. If I'm typing here AMT also it is coming. If I type here tax, it is coming me giving to me tax rate, which is the fast matching later. Like it is the tax. It is, he searched and he didn't found anywhere. He found in this. Then it didn't went to second one. So he found here in this. Then he given the tax rate, tax percentage. Then he didn't move to the next part. So this is basically how to do the customize that header, and how can, as per our requirement, how can we get that. Only need to know that how to put the command here. If I put an amount AMT, then I receive over here. So how to do the setup? In my previous video already I have covered these all part. So if you didn't watch that, I'll just recommend you, please watch out my previous video. This is very much informative video, and this is the very much advanced VLOOKUP formula I'm going to be covered. And this is the seventh level of the customization, and there are 24 level of the customization in the VLOOKUP. If you want to be a master of the VLOOKUP, please do not miss out single part of this. All right. In the sixth part, if you have seen that I have done the match along with the VLOOKUP, probably most of you know that. Just let me do it once again from the starting. Quickly, I just do that array formula. If a2 is to a is equal to blank, then give me blank. Either if error VLOOKUP lookup value is a2 is to a2 is to a, then here it is asking me the table, and this is my table. Now here what I did, match of this, then it will match with the header, then comma 0, enter. If you don't know what I just did here, please watch the previous video, you will come to know everything. I'm not going to tell this again in this video. Please watch my previous video. So here you can see whatever is the data I received, but here I have entered a small part of the header. I have not entered the full details like tax amount, like this. I have not entered. If I do not enter, it's don't come to in this. So in this case, what we can do? We can just give the command over here like end function. just pass the star mark, enter. Now you can see, if I just type here tax, it's coming. Tax percentage, it is coming. Tax name he found in the first one. So once it is found, he didn't move to the second one. So tax is there. For an example, if I just underscore API type, now he moved to second one because tax underscore A, it's not available in this. It's available on this tax underscore A. Then empty is the additional. Then he taken this column. What does it mean? It's mean that we are telling him after this word might be our header, more text is there, might be it is there. So we have given here end, after that two double clone, and said that we can enter here star. It's mean that whatever I have given here, my cell value, this is header value, might be after that also our text is there. So you need to search the text within the header, it's not fixed. Same thing if I do here and star mark, it's mean that might be previous than that our text is available. What does it mean? So now for an example, I'll just put underscore A. Now you can see it's don't come. Reason that I have not verified. I didn't tell him that might be previous than this our text will be available. So I need to verify it. I need to give the command to it. He need to search. Might be previous than this our text is available. So we need to pass on this while we are giving the criteria in the match. This is my criteria and this is my data and this is the true false, exact value and approximate value. And I'll press the enter. Now you can see it's coming. If I just type simple A also it will come. A mean you will go and search where is the A is available. You will search in this, no there is no A. You will search in this, yes it is there, A is available. Lowercase uppercase it doesn't matter, it's there. So he taken this, he didn't move further. So you need to pass on a value which is unique, either exactly it is available, what is requirement your column. Like for an example, this one I want mean I want underscore A, it's mean nowhere it is available apart from this column. So here I can type underscore A. But now let me just delete it. If I delete this is still coming to me. Now here if I put here party, here there is no data because my match value is been fixed up to J1. If I remove here J, now you can see it's coming. But wherever it is blank, it is not supposed to come, but still it is there. So how to do that setup that after this also it should not come? In that case, we can just put here a if formula. What if formula do here? It will execute your true and false. I'll just type here if this b1 is to 1 is equal to blank, then give me blank, or else you give me this match, or else you give me the match. B1 is to 1 mean like from starting of this to till end of this one row. I'm not giving a Z1 either a double A1. I'm not giving that. I'm just directly giving B1 is to 1. End of this. Wherever I put the value I should get. It is not specified particularly up to this column it should take. Fine. Just press the enter. Now you can see. If my header is blank, then it is coming here blank also. If I just type a party name, party, either party name, whatever you want, you can just type. If you just type name also, it will come. Fine. So if I type here also, it's my value should come like MRP. Now you can see MRP I have received. Like GP. If I type here GP, now I received here the GP. Now I don't have to type full name, just GP. Net MRP. Just you type your net, it will come here. So this is the how you can do the VLOOKUP also. This is the one of the very much informative video. Please do not miss out this series. This is a very much important series. Watch till end of this series and become a master of the VLOOKUP. Thank you so much guys.